Okay, this is another video. And basically, in my last previous video, I said that I would come back to the Ingersoll Rand. As you also know, this is the US General 5-drawer tool cart with deep compartment side tray, and US General 4-drawer tool cart with side tray, deep compartment, series 2 model. In my last previous video, I said that I would go back to the Ingersoll Rand, plus I added on a few things, got a couple of new items. I'm gonna start off with a Sunex set, a universal wobble 3/8 metric set that I basically purchased to go along with the arsenal of tools. I'm gonna step over here to the item. As you can see, it's the impact socket set, 10-piece 3/8 drive 6-point metric universal set. That's the model number right there, the 3657 set. There's 10 sockets that come from 10 millimeter all the way up to 19 millimeter. And I also added on a Tekton set, a 1/2-inch drive, shallow impact that runs from 11 millimeter to 32 millimeter. The Tekton is lifetime guaranteed, and also the Sunex set is lifetime guaranteed also. So we're gonna move over here, and as you can see, I added the wobbles. This is what they look like. This is a 15 millimeter. This is the spring loaded version. I don't know if you can see the spring right there, that the joint is kind of dark, but let me see if I can get it for you. If you can see that silver lining right there in the corner, that's the spring that's loaded on the wobble socket. Like I said, these are 3/8 drive metric wobble universals. Then we get over here, I also added the Tekton shallow 1/2-inch impact sockets, and these are the Tekton deeps right there. I also added, as you can see, the 475 Milwaukee lumen headlight. Got a little visit today from the snap-on guy. As you can see, I have up here the 1/2-inch flex head extended handle long snap-on. I just received today the 3/8 lock and flex head to go along with the 1/4 flex head. As you can see, as a bonus, my snap-on guy, as you can see, snap-on tools. This is another 3/8 flex head that actually comes with that charging socket. As you can see, that's the part number FHLLF80SC. As you can see, still in the packaging. Give you a little quick look at that. As you can see, I'm still organizing some things. Got your metric hollow core magnetic nut drivers. Then over here I got the SAE set. Then, as you can see, I got the Torx precision set over here, and right here you have the 6-piece screwdriver precision set. I also added these hex drawers, It's the model number right there, Milwaukee. Alright, so now we're gonna go over here because I did promise that I would come back, to the Ingersoll Rand. This is the 15 Q Max pneumatic air tool. Like I said, I keep a protective boot over the gun. So as you can see, this is what the Ingersoll stubby look like. And as you can see, it says quiet tool. Here's its settings and its modes. It's a very strong, compact 3/8 right here. Very strong. I'm actually gonna get another set of extensions and sockets specifically for the Ingersoll Rand, probably Ingersoll brand, and get the Ingersoll flip sockets set to go along with this as I go along. Still building on a couple of things. Like I said, I constantly get new things as I go along. Maybe in the next updated video, I'll come back to this drawer right here and basically explain what some of these scan tools are. As you can see, that's the Blue Driver Bluetooth Professional OBD2 scan tool. And then you have the Carista. In this box right here, I also have a key programmer for BMW keys to reprogram BMW keys. So maybe I'll come back and get into a little bit of that and this BMW OBD2 inspection oil service and some of the other scan tools basically that I have in this drawer from my last previous videos. Like I said, these are new scan tools with software. I'm just waiting to get a new laptop. I have the brand new drive up underneath it, and then I also have 2 other BMW scan tools that are sitting up underneath it, brand new in the box. Alright, to a later further review. Once again, it's the 4-drawer US General tool cart, and this is the 5-drawer US General tool cart. Till next time, check you later.